Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. Y and Y we can do about factorization. Number 2 and number 2 we can do another factorization. Y and Y we can do about factorization in here. Similar for this one. Now we have s minus 1, s minus 1. We can do another factorization. S plus 2, s plus 2. We can do another factorization in here. So the s we put on the right, y plus 2, y minus 1 we put on the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So for this one, we need to add number 2. Later that we need to minus number 2. Similar for this one, we need to add number 2. Later that we need to minus number 2. Negative number 2, negative number 1, we have negative number 3. This one we have negative number 3. So y plus 2 divided by y plus 2, we have number 1. Similar for this one. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have y. The integration of this one, we have 3 ln of the absolute value of y plus 2. Now we do similar for the second one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.